So hello guys, welcome again to Tech Smash Empire. It's been a while, we've been so silent away, but today we are coming back with a very fresh and new series. So my name is Moses, and I'm hoping that you are well wherever you are. So we are beginning a series of coding, and this is a very new series that we are beginning. We shall be doing a series of coding challenges. We shall be going through some few coding languages, and it's my pleasure to welcome all of you. And I invite you to follow this channel if you want to grow your passion in tech. You are a person who is very passionate about tech. I welcome you so much, and I know we are going to learn a lot. So, without wasting much time, I want, before we begin, I'll also want to bring to your attention that our website is live. We come up with a website which is live. Feel free to visit the website. I'll be attaching a link in the description box. So let me just give you a glimpse of what it is. So we are having our website. Just a minute, let me try to access it. So this is our website. Feel free to visit it at any time to have enough information on what we do. And as a matter of fact, we are also going to add the lessons or the tutorials we are going to learn in coding. We are going to add them in to our website. You can feel free to contact us from the website. You can view news that are upcoming or what is trending. You can contact us. We have very passionate people who will be there to help. And also, apart from that, oh yeah, before I forget, we also have a career page or the jobs page vacancy, just to poke around and see if there's any vacancy there that suits you. We'll also be glad that you join our team. So guys, without much ado, I know this first video is just an introductory part of it to try and bring you on board for what we are going to do and what we'll be doing in this series of happy coding. So before we continue, I just want to mention to you one very important resource for learning. So there's this program by Microverse, and just a disclaimer, I'm not in any way affiliated to Microverse, but all in all, they also have a referral system. So guys, just as I was saying, Microverse is a very nice program, especially for those tech enthusiasts for coding. So I was saying I'm not in any way affiliated to Microverse, but they also have a referral program. It's more of an affiliated marketing, of which I'll just include a link in the description box where you can visit, use my link to apply, and we can see how we can help each other. So I'm going to show you what they do and how important it is. Yes guys, so let's get into it. So we are going to look at this Microverse program. So it's a program that I've seen it's very important, especially in the tech enthusiasts or the people who are into tech and you are willing to learn self-paced, engage with the other coders, engage with other engineers, software developers across the world. This is it guys. So Microverse is a program that is tailored to help especially the developing countries, especially we in Africa. So as one of the beneficiaries, I think it's a great deal. And as I said, I'm not affiliated in any way, but It's just as per my own observation, having explored other options in the software learning and coding learning experiences. This I think it's a good deal and it's a fair deal. So you'll come to your browser and just go to Microverse dot organization. Let me just open it for you. But I'll also be attaching the same link in the description section, so you really don't have to worry about this. So if you go to that link, they will tell you more about the Microverse program, and by the way, it's free to join. Just as you've seen it's indicated, you pay zero until you land a job. So it's a fair deal for me. I'd advise you to do that. So there's an affiliation link which I'll also attach in the description box. You can use my link as a referral, so you will get a better deal. So let's get into it and let's see what they have for us, what Microverse has for us. So you just come to this site, apply. It's a very simple onboarding process. Fill out the required details, get a confirmation email. Then after that, you are on board. You begin a few tests, then you'll be there into the program. So I don't want to talk so much about the program, but there's this feature that they use, which I found very important. It's a new feature, I think, in the market. I've not seen any other platform using the same feature. So it's the gather town. It's a gathering. They call it a gathering town. So if you come to after going through the onboarding process and you are successful, you'll be using this feature. It's called the gather town. So the link for the same I'll also put in the description box. But I think after successful onboarding, they'll send you a link to the gather town. They also give you some short description of how it works and so on and so forth. So this is mostly like a virtual town where you meet as peers, the coding challenges. You can meet in groups, have discussions, carry out some tasks, some coding challenges, daily challenges. It's a step-by-step guide which is self-paced, and I think it worked for me, and I think it can also work for you. And I'll also lead you through the same as we shall be going through our series of coding, happy coding. We shall also be going to get some challenges from that side, do it and try to learn from each other. So this is a town where, let me say, coders can never be asleep. They are always online. So as the time I'm recording this, it's almost 2 a.m. in the morning. So 1:30 in the morning, but we already have 55 people just roaming around in town learning, and we also want to open and see what is there. So without much ado, I'll just click that gathering. So we'll give it some time to load. So this again just depends on your internet speed and machine operation. So just good. So you give it a name. So this name is just more of a nickname or an alias which you are going to use in the town. So we can also use your camera on and your microphone because it's more of a virtual event that is real time. So whichever you choose, the options that will work for you, well and good. But for the start, I think we can just go without, because I just want to highlight some of the key things and some of the importances of this feature. So you can use your name. For me, I'm going to use Amist. You can also edit your avatar. You just choose the character you are going to use because it's more of fun. It's more of gamish. It's fun. Okay, let's join the gathering and see what's there. Good. So we are in the town, guys. So this is the town. It's called the gather town. So as you can see, these little characters, these little characters. So these are people who are online. Just as I told you, we have 55 people who are online. This feature has a chat section. You can chat, you can see who is online, you can try to follow people. So the first things first, but as a matter of fact, I think I've told you, this is just a glimpse of what's there. But more of these things, I think there is a step-by-step guide, but I just try to highlight. So currently, let me try to see where my avatar is. So I think you can see it, you can locate me moving on the screen. That's my avatar. It's written by the name at the top, Psalmist. So this is just a town. You move around, you can move around. So the very beginning point. So this is a door. This is a door. You can come out and see what is happening outside there. We also have some rooms here where you can meet level 1, level 2, level 3. I'll talk about that later. So, but these are just rooms where you can meet your colleagues. Then we walk around. We have a swimming pool, some recreation place here. We have some bench. You can sit there with some colleague and do some discussion in coding. We have some enjoyment place here. We have some piano here. You can play some music. So anyway, in this town where you want to execute anything, just press X on your keyboard and it does the thing. So you can see here Benson is here seated here. When I come close to him, we can connect. You can connect to Benson, have some discussion and see. You can talk, you can video call, and so on. So guys, this is the feature of this town. So big, so big, so big, so big. It has a lot of features. So let's go back to our town. So this is just outside the town. So let's get in. So when you get in, we have a gamers lounge here. You can come here and play some games. Definitely coding games, which are so sweet, enjoyable. Then we have, so the first thing you come in, if you are coming to do some task here, this is a daily attendance here. You come in this attendance room, then just click X on your keyboard. Then after you click X, you can fill in the attendance, what you come to do today, what are your goals, what are you planning to achieve, and so on. More self-explanatory. So after that, daily attendance. So you can come and see some of the tutorials. You can join the Slack team, Slack group chat. You can also come at the top and join the WhatsApp section. The queues, you can also read about them, the code of conduct, and all those guys. You can just go through them. But away from that, so this is the starting point of the coding challenges. So here is where you begin. So on reaching at this point, first time, yes. So just come in this room. So these are rooms. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 are rooms all the way up to the top. So if you come here, you just enter that room, press X, then you can view people who are there, have a chat, read about what is there. After that, you will, after clearing everything for step 1, go to step 2, step 3, all the way up to the very last. Step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, all the way. So for the first part, I think step 6 is the last one. Then we have the finish line. But guys, I'm telling you, before you reach step 6 and the finish line, sorry, you'll be having a very great experience. So for the very start, Microverse program begins with the JavaScript fundamentals. So it begins with the very basic JavaScript, then it moves to the intermediate JavaScript, then it goes to the very advanced JavaScript. And I'm telling you guys, before you reach level 6 and the finish line, my guys, I'm telling you, you'll have learned a lot in JavaScript. So after completing the JavaScript trail, you can come over to level 7. So in level 7, what Microverse will be offering is web development. And in web development, we shall be covering more of HTML, advanced CSS, from basic to advanced HTML5, then CSS, and also you shall be doing JavaScript, some JavaScript, and you'll also be doing some jQuery. And after that, the very last track that Microverse will be offering, which is also very, very great and important, is Git and GitHub. I'm very sure, probably 80% sure, if you are watching this, probably have heard about Git and GitHub, and all everything that is around Git and GitHub, and also it's part of collaboration, part of version control, and you'll also learn more about that. After you finish that, my friend, I think you'll have covered a lot. But as I said, this is just something I'm giving you as my opinion. You can go through it and also like it. But on our end, we shall be doing our coding independent from Microverse. Only that I was giving you a heads up that you find out what happens in Microverse, what happens in GatherTown, and I think it will be very, very essential to you as a coder. One more thing about Microverse program, what I've learned a lot about it is the pair programming. So I think if you've never heard about pair programming, you will come across such a term if you are going to onboard for Microverse program. So pair programming is when you are paired with a peer, you are paired with a colleague who is also a student joining the Microverse program. So most preferably, I think it's always someone who is away from your country. So if you are from Kenya, you will probably have someone from Nigeria, Ghana, India, USA, anyone else from outside your country. So pair programming, you should be programming with your colleagues. And this is also a boost to you because it will be increasing your chances for learning. It will be increasing your chances for team building. It will increase your chance for collaboration. So a lot is in store. So this is just an introductory part of what we are going to do, but more of it, what we are going to do is coding, have coding lessons, live sessions, which will be doing live broadcasts, coding challenges, and I'm trusting that it's going to be very fun. It's going to be so great. So guys, I'm looking forward to really work with you people, and we are going to learn a lot. We are going to learn a lot in the happy coding sessions. So up to now, I think there's not much left to do, but I just want to remind you, uh we were off for some time, but we are back. So if you are watching this, at the time you are watching, you've not subscribed to this channel, please just be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can hit that subscribe button that is below the video, somewhere below the video. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that when we upload any session, especially for the coding sessions, you are the first to know about it. You are the first to get the uploaded content. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And also don't forget to check out our website. Don't forget to check out our website. It's techsmashempire.co.ke. Visit that site, check out our content, see what we do, see we can also be in touch, and it's going to be fun, so great. So thank you so much and have some good time. Happy coding out there.